Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the fusing film on the fuser unit of Canon Mf6140 model. Look, we have a problematic fusing film. I have obtained a new fuser film sleeve. So, how to disassemble it? We start from this black gear. Just notice the position of the white and the black gears. Take out this gear. Unscrew the 4 screws here. Lift it up. Now we have to take out this black cover here. Release the blue cable here. Now on the both sides we have 2 springs which have to be released carefully. The first one, and here the second one. And our fusing film unit is released. Just lift it up and this film we have to change. I will show you how. One more. If you want to replace the pressure roller, unscrew the screw here. Slide it to the right and take it up. We have to clean the dirt here. And we can change it by lifting it up and place the new one in here. Now let's clean this roller. Clean it well. You can even use a screwdriver for it. Carefully, and place it back. Put it in the holes and slide it back to the left. And screw again this screw. Now to take out the fusing film, we have to release this and slide it out. Look, the film has a black end here. On the other side there is no black end. Here we have a black end. It should be always to this white connector. Slide out. We have to clean very well the surface of the heating element. Clean it very well. You can also use isopropyl alcohol here. Okay. We are ready to place the fusor film lubricant on the surface of the heating element. Now let's take out the new fusor film sleeve. You can see here this black line. As I told you, it should be right to the white connector here. So take it out and carefully place it on the heating element. And finally, this black cap here. And now we are ready to put it back on its place in the fusing unit. Place it back. Then place back the springs on the both sides. Cable management and the cover. Yes, and from the other side. Yes. Now put back this cover with the 4 screws. We have the cable again. That's it. And finally, this part. As I told you, be careful. We have 2 arrows on the black and the white gears. They have to be one pointing one at another. Look, and that's it. We have a new fusing unit. Let's take it back to the device and let's see what happens. So this is the end of the video. Thank you very much and good luck.